In today's video, I'll show you how to connect the Freshsales Cloud Contact Center step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to Freshsales. Log in to your account and land on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left side and click the Settings gear icon. This is where all integrations and system configurations live. Next, go to Marketplace Apps. In the Marketplace search bar, type the name of the Cloud Contact Center you want to connect. For this example, we'll use Zoho Cloud Contact Center. Once you find the app, click on it and select Install to begin the setup. During configuration, you'll be asked for your Freshsales domain and API key. To get the API key, go to Settings, then Admin Settings, open API and locate the APIs for chat or integration section. Copy the API key carefully. Now return to the integration setup screen and paste your Freshsales domain and API key. You'll also need to enter the CRM or API credentials provided by your Cloud Contact Center. These details allow both systems to communicate securely. After entering all required information, click Validate to confirm everything is correct. Once validation is successful, hit Save to complete the setup. That's it. You've successfully connected Freshsales with your Cloud Contact Center, enabling seamless call tracking, customer data syncing, and better sales communication. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.